Today, I'm going on a special grocery trip to the Polish food store to buy some authentic staples to make some delicious Polish cuisine. So I finally got my goodies home and we're going to go through them one by one, but you can expect lots of delicious Polish dishes coming up on my channel in weeks to come. So we'll just do a quick rundown. I got some sauerkraut with carrot and some beetroot salad with onions and some pickle puree, as well as some cinnamon apples and some sweets. These are sweets, chocolates for Easter. And then I picked up these easy to make gelatin and pudding dessert and a popular brand of Polish pasta. I thought the shape of these were really interesting and neat. And then I got some strawberry fruit spread, as well as several different types of cheeses, which was actually the number one reason why I went to the Polish food store to begin with. Because let me tell you, Polish cheese is unlike any American cheese that you can find in the grocery store. And the best way to make authentic Polish goodies is to have the correct cheese. So I am so excited. I got kind of a sampling. I got a little bit of everything that they had on hand. And here it is, my entire grocery haul. I had a comment from a viewer on a previous video who asked me to do a budget-friendly recipe video featuring pork. So the first thing that came to my mind was Polish cuisine. So there's going to be recipes coming up, guys. Pork Polish recipes as well as other recipes. So even if you don't like pork, there's going to be other videos coming to my channel, such as sweet and savory crepes and breakfast from around the world, featuring one of the breakfasts from Poland. The number one thing that I went there for was the cheese, because Polish cheese is very unique. There are some reasonable substitutes available in American grocery stores, and when I make those videos, I will give suggestions on what you can buy if you don't have a Polish grocery store near you. But yeah, so I got some farmer's cheese. This is just a plain farmer's cheese, and I got 2 of those. And then this is a more processed cheese product, but I got a few different varieties of cheese. And then this one's kind of got tomato and chili in it. It's a flavored one. And then this is another plain one. So I just got sort of a variety of what I saw that looked good. I got some noodles from a very reputable brand. I guess it's popular in the east coast of Poland. These are apples and cinnamon. It says 100% apples from Poland in Polish. And then this is also basically like a strawberry preserve or a strawberry jam. I don't know exactly what I'm doing with this yet. These can go a lot of different ways, but nothing says Polish cuisine quite like beets. So this is beetroot salad with onions, and it is grated up. I am so excited because these products, pickled products, most of the time in American stores, these things have a lot of sodium. Okay, but these were actually lower in sodium. And so I picked up this. This is pickle puree, basically pickle relish, because I need it for Easter for my deviled eggs. So I thought, you know what? While I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and get this. It's lower in sodium anyway. This almost says German also, but cabbage is very popular in Polish cuisine as well. Poland and Germany are basically right next door to each other, although their food is a little bit different in some ways. Some chocolates, some pudding, jello, and a variety of cheeses, which was actually the reason why I went to the store to begin with, because specifically Polish cheeses are very unique, and I really wanted to get an authentic cheese. The meats that were there were Polish style, but they are all made in the United States. So I just went ahead and skipped the meat. And I just got the cheeses that were imported. And yeah, recipes coming up, guys. Stay tuned. If you want some awesome Polish recipes, looking for some interesting budget-friendly pork recipes, along with a variety of other Polish recipes, because I'm going to turn this grocery haul into videos coming up on my channel.